Assalamualaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIVS Home School. I am Mohammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today, I am going to conduct a social science class for the students of class 2. Our today's topic is Unit 10, True False, Fill in the blanks and question answer. I repeat, our today's topic is Unit 10, True False, Fill in the blanks and question answer. Dear students, so look at the board. With the similarity of our today's topic, I have given you three pictures. So look at the first one. First one is about flood, and second one is about cyclone, and third one is about earthquake. I am telling you again, first one is flood, second one is cyclone, and third one is earthquake. This is the three sub topics of our today's lesson, but keep it in mind. So look at board. I have written here lecture 1 SW1. That means on annual examination syllabus, this is our first lecture and first SW. So all of you open your book, page number 24. Page number 24 of social science book. I am reading from this. So all of you give your attention to look at page number 24. Nature sustains life on the earth. Sometimes it becomes causes of destruction. When the natural condition of the earth becomes unusual, I repeat unusual, the nature gets angry. As a result, we face some unavoidable things. So pronounce with me is unavoidable, which we must do or which we cannot avoid. They occur as floods, cyclones and earthquakes. Life on earth is sustained by nature. That means life on earth depends on nature. But sometimes it is also cause of devastation or destruction. When the condition of the earth becomes unusual, the nature gets angry. As a result, we get some unavoidable things. These are floods, cyclones and earthquakes. So look at the first one here, flood, second one is cyclone and third one is earthquake. At first, flood. Floods occurs when there is heavy rainfall. It generally comes to our country in rainy season. During floods, river overflows its banks and water spreads to the surrounding areas. Floods are very common in Bangladesh. In fact, we get normal floods every year while the large portion of our country goes underwater. So look here, that means underwater, we see the houses are underwater or at the end of the water. Several months, it causes water loggings. So what is the term? Water loggings. Normal floods in our country destroys crops, houses and cattle. In flood, people suffer very badly. Now we will go to cyclone. That means picture number 2. Wind blows at a very high speed during a cyclone. In cyclone, air moves very fast. Cyclone is always accompanied by heavy rain. That means whenever it will be cyclone, that means heavy rain will come also. It comes from warm ocean where lies in the south of Bangladesh. Now we will go to earthquake, that means last or 3 number picture. Sometimes there are sudden movements under the surface of the earth. We feel shaking of the earth due to strong vibration on the surface. This vibration or tremor is known as earthquakes. Pronounce with me these earthquakes. It destroys many things including roads, houses and bridges. So what are the things destroyed by it? Roads, houses and bridges. Now we will go to, now our reading session is done. We will go to our fill in the blanks, true, false, answer the following questions. So all of you give your attention. Look here, fill in the blanks, or fill in the gaps. When the condition of the earth, from our text we are getting the answer, it will be earth. EARTH is abnormal, the nature gets angry, or unusual. In the book it is written unusual, but it is written here abnormal, both are same. In the rainy season, the dash occurs, the flood. Answer will be flood, FLW, flood. The water overflows the dash of rivers. To be dash, that means banks of the river. Number D, dash is another cause of sufferings. We know that flood is another cause of suffering. Here we write flood, FL. The first letter will be capital. Number E, many dash die in the earthquake. It will be many people die in the earthquake. So fill in the blanks is done. Now we will go to true false. Flood comes in rainy season. So we will know that flood comes in rainy season. It will be true. P-R-E-V. You will write like me. Flood is good for houses and people. No, it is very bad for houses and people. So it will be false. Okay. The cyclone here moves very slowly. It will be very fast. So answer is wrong. That means false answer. False. Answer. Last, true false. Earthquakes destroy many roads and houses. Yes, it is written here. It destroys many things, including roads, houses, and trees. So earthquake destroys many roads and houses. The statement is true. Clear. Fill in the blanks and true false done. Now we will go to answer the following questions. Look here. I have given only two question and answer. So what happens when nature gets angry? I repeat, what happens when nature gets angry? Answer, when nature gets angry, we face some unavoidable things. So what are the unavoidable things? Like, or for example, flood, cyclone, earthquake, etc. I am telling you again, when nature gets angry, we face some unavoidable things like flood, cyclone, earthquake, etc. Last question number. B number. What is flood? Answer. Due to heavy rainfall or because of heavy rainfall, when river overflows its banks and water spreads to the surrounding, it is called flood. I am telling you the answer again. Due to heavy rainfall, when river overflows its banks and water spreads to the surroundings, it is called flood. Our answer session, question and answer session is done. So look at both. I have given you SW here. SW is lesson 10 question answer. Then is only two question answer you will write in your specific SW topic. So dear students, now I hope that you have understood our today's class. Read the text again and again. Keep practicing, fill in the blanks, true, false and question answer. And abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.